Sa panahon ngayon, may isang pangalan na maaasahan, nagbibigay kulay at sarap sa hapagkainan. Espesyalista sa baking ingredients, sa konting gamit lamang ka na. Ito ang Ferna, patok sa sangkap at pampagana. Lipat na sa Ferna, number one in food colors and food flavors. F-E-R-N-A, the best ang Ferna.
Good morning, Chinatown viewers! Ngayong Halloween, may inihanda kami ni Chef Maristelang something really special for the viewers.
For today, we're going to make a dessert in preparation of the upcoming Halloween season. So we're going to make Ferna Choco Treat Creeper Cupcakes. So we have here all-purpose flour, and then pagsasamahin natin yung mga dry ingredients natin. So we have our Ferna baking soda, our Primera baking powder. So mga leavening agents natin yun, pampaalsa. And then we have Ferna iodized salt. And of course, to make it chocolatey and very yummy for the kids, mag-a-add tayo ng ating Cocoa Prime cocoa powder. Okay? So i-mix together lang natin sila. Para mamaya, pag in-add na natin siya sa mixture natin, madali na lang. So sa mixing bowl naman, we have our EOI, Sovereign Cake Margarine. Again, ito po yung ating butter replacer. So instead of using fresh butter, pwede tayong gumamit ng cake margarine kung gusto nating makatipid. Okay? So this is ideal para dun sa mga nagpo-food business. Pero para sa mga home bakers natin na hindi naman nila kailangan ng maramihang cake margarine, pwede silang gumamit ng fresh butter instead. Okay? And then we have sugar. So, imimix lang natin siya hanggang maging light and creamy yung ating mixture. For about siguro 2 to 3 minutes, imimix natin yung ating cake margarine and sugar. So, once na na-mix na yung ating cake margarine and sugar, mag-add tayo ng eggs.
Dahan-dahan natin yung eggs.
So, actually, i-add natin siya one at a time. To make sure na mahalo siya ng mabuti.
Kasi kung sinabay-sabay natin yan, may tendency na hindi siya mahalo ng mas mabuti.
So may parts na may egg yolks lang, may egg white lang. Tsaka always make sure that you're using real fresh eggs para masarap yung ating cake, okay? Walang aftertaste, walang any reaction na hindi natin gusto. So as a flavor enhancer, gagamit tayo ng ating Ferna Vanilla Liquid. So make sure to shake muna ng bottle, okay, bago natin buksan. So again, yung 1 lid cup ng 30 ml bottle natin would give you approximately 1 teaspoon of the liquid or the flavor. Okay? Okay? So now, i-add na natin yung ating dry ingredients. So katulad ng lagi kong tinuturo sa ating mga viewers, pag nag-add tayo ng dry ingredients, konti-konti lang or batch by batch para hindi naman tayo magsusplatter or magkakalat. Ngayon naman, yung ating cold water. Okay? So, alternate natin hanggang sa maubos natin yung dry and liquid ingredients natin. Ayan. So, Paul, eto na yung ating nagawang cupcake batter. Isuscoop ko na siya sa ating mold. So, depende kung para saan na occasion gagamitin. So, pwede nilang i-vary yung kanilang cupcake liner. Okay? So, yung recipe na to, hindi lang siya for cupcakes. Actually, pwede nilang gamitin to to make whole cakes, round cakes, squares. Ayan.
Mga pound cakes rin.
So, eto, i-bake natin to for 15 to 20 minutes or hanggang maluto siya at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Yan. So, Paul, eto na yung ating lutong chocolate cupcakes.
At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang cupcakes nang walang decoration. Kaya narito kami para i-decorate ng hinanda nating cupcakes.
So, yung gagamitin natin yung ating mga ginawang frosting kanina. So, eto yung ating ganache. So, actually, many ways na pwede nating i-decorate yung cupcake natin. So on top of the ganache, maglalagay tayo ng ating marshmallow frosting. And then spread ko siya konti. Ayan, so after mo i-flatten yung marshmallow frosting on top of your ganache, I have naman dito, ganache pa din, yung ganache natin ginawa, pero naka-piping bag na siya.
For decoration.
So gusto natin gawin ng decoration. Ayan, so Paul, tapos nang i-decorate yung ating cupcake. So ito yung ating Ferna Choco Treat Creeper Cupcake. So make sure to have a copy of this recipe. Just log on to ferna.com.ph. You can email us for your questions at info@ferna.com.ph. Pwede nyo rin po kaming tawagan at 523-1165 hanggang 68. So see us again next week for more easy-to-prepare and hassle-free recipes brought to you by Ferna, the food ingredient specialist. This has been Chef Maristela, and I'm with
Paul Cham.
See us again next week.
再见。
Sa panahon ngayon, may isang pangalan na maaasahan, nagbibigay kulay at sarap sa hapagkainan. Espesyalista sa baking ingredients, sa konting gamit lamang ka na. Ito ang Ferna, patok sa sangkap at pampagana. Lipat na sa Ferna, number one in food colors and food flavors. Ferna, the best ang Ferna.